Hello, good afternoon to all of you, especially to certain. Let me introduce myself. I am Maradisa Radimisa Rahisha, this for short. I used to live far away from my parents because of certain problems. My parents and siblings moved to Lipa, Batangas, while I was left behind in Quezon. Attending school from Monday to Friday, on Saturday and Sundays, I work to earn a living. Sometimes, I also help my grandmother, my father's aunt, grow vegetables in the garden. This continued until finished grade 11. A few weeks later, my parents suggest I transfer to Lipa, Batangas, and I agree because I was only one left in Quezon, while my family already in Lipa. A few days later, my mom accompanied me to Barangay Bulbok to enroll. Unfortunately, I was unable to do so because I had not taken some of the subjects required there. I asked the teacher if I could take the subject I had missed, but she said it was not possible. She told me that I could enroll in their school, but I would have to repeat grade 11. I felt regret because I meant delaying my graduation by a year. So, we looked for another school that would fit my strength. My mom and I went to Barangay Bugtong School, where I was able to enroll. There was one subject I still needed to take, but I knew I could manage it. When I first started this school in Barangay Bugtong, I was nervous because I was transfer student. However, my new classmate guided me in the right direction. After a few weeks, I became more comfortable and I was no longer shy. I started interacting with my classmates. Although there were, were still things I did not understand at first. Over time, I noticed that some classmates did not seem to like me anymore. But I was not discouraged because I had others who supported and encouraged me. My experience at this school taught me that the challenges I was faced were not meant to destroy my determination or discourage me, but to strengthen